This is a review of the RYOBI 18-volt 1/4 impact driver that I would definitely recommend. I do want to start off and mentioning the fact that the battery and the charger is sold separately. So if you're going to get the RYOBI 1/4 impact driver, then keep in mind that the battery and the charger is sold separately. But if you do have that, then it's very good and it's going to be very useful for you to use it and operate it. Now, I do want to mention the fact that the quality is really amazing. It feels, when I hold it, it feels extremely durable and it feels good quality, and also it feels a little bit heavy, but as you know, a 1/4 impact driver does have a little bit of weight to it. I do also want to mention the fact that it also has a LED lamp, so when you're working those dark areas or tight corners where it's, the visibility is very blocking and it's hard to see. So when I press and hold this button very lightly, you can see that the LED lamp is very bright and high quality LED. And you can see that it's very bright as you work in those dark areas where you cannot see. And you can see how powerful this impact machine is. As I'm holding it and I'm pressing this button all the way, you can see how powerful the impact machine is. And you could have this button right here, you could have it rotated to left or right, wherever, whichever you prefer. So if I press this button, then it goes right, and then this button goes left. If you're trying to drill, any holes or any, restoration, pretty much any home remodeling, then this is very useful to have. And I would definitely recommend the RYOBI 18 volt impact, because it really does the job like what it's intended. So, and it feels very durable. The quality is really amazing. The LED lamp is a huge plus as well too. It's very bright, as you can see here. And I overall would definitely recommend this. Like you can see here, that it feels very durable. The quality, like I mentioned, is amazing. The impact machine, it just, it feels very powerful as I'm pressing it. So it, definitely does the job very well like what's intended. So, and I would definitely recommend this if you're doing any home remodeling or restoration or any car projects where you need a 1/4 impact. Then this is probably one of the best impacts that you could get.